What I have is a hyper tough saw here that, as you can see, it is a common problem that you'll be using the saw and the blade just pops out. It doesn't matter what kind of blade. It could be an expensive blade, a cheap blade, and the problem lies in the blade clamp itself. The blade actually is held in by two ball bearings, and it will correspond to this notch here. And these ball bearings are not under an awful lot of tension, and it is supposed to be ramped here. And as you can see, the clamp is on a spring, and it's the spring's kind of weak, and the ramp isn't that pronounced. And so what happens, the saw binds a little bit, the blade, and gets stuck, and it falls out of the saw. So what I ended up doing is removing the blade clamp by taking the circular clip off of there, and I ended up welding a nut on here. However, you'll find that there's some ball bearings in there. You can take them out, grab a nut that'll fit over there, and then drill a hole on each side, because there'll be a hole on the side that helps hold the blade in, and then on the opposite side you can do that as well. Take a tap and tap a couple of holes in there. With those holes in there, I went and I put a set screw in there. Now with the set screw in there, I can use a T-shanked blade, or they call this the U-shaped blade. Either will fit in there and work just fine.